Just stopped at a new coffee shop. It was called The Southerners. Got some coffee, and we're on our way to look at another wedding venue today. What is it called?
It's called South Hall Meadows.
South Hall Meadows, so we'll see. We looked at a few so far, narrowed it down to 2 we really like, but there were still a couple more we wanted to check out, so hopefully we like it. And it's a beautiful day here in Nashville. We got the sunroof open. It is 80 degrees.
We're zooming.
We're in Franklin right now.
Uh-oh. Getting pulled over, guys. Just kidding. Oh, no.
I got the campfire iced coffee drink. And then you don't remember what yours is called because she just recommended it.
Yeah, it wasn't on the menu.
His is really good as well. It tastes like spring break, honestly. I told him it tasted like a tanning bed. He didn't like that answer. Did you? Oh. Dang, hope everyone's okay.
Sport mode, get him. Gotta get him.
Let's go. Okay guys, we're at South Hall Meadows. We're about to go in and check it out.
Here we go. Come here.
No.
He's purring.
Aww.
He's purring.
Are you purring? Here.
Purring, purring.
It's so funny, you just jumped so bad. Lots of cool signs in here.
And I have to.
Hey baby. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think this might be too big to go under the TV though in the movie room. Ugh, but it would look so good though.
So now I want a cat. Pussy.
Oh my goodness, it's cute!
It's gonna get you dirty.
And then there's a trailer back here with stuff. Made a little pit stop looking at this shop right off the road. We actually missed our turn, so I'm kind of glad we did because we're checking out all this stuff. This is so cool. A lot of the furniture, the wood furniture is homemade. The guy makes it, so we were talking to him inside. Very neat. Hey, follow them on Instagram.
Oops, dogs.
Just to yeah, they're dogs. This is what we got. Looks like Mia. Couldn't resist. By the way, we found out the cat's name is Shadow, and he's escaped here 7 times by jumping in people's cars and they didn't know it. He said they would drive down the road and he would just pop up and scare people half to death. But they always bring him back, so it's good. But we were sure to hop in the car really quick and he didn't see us leave. Bye, Shadow.
Bye, Bob. Now we're thinking about getting a cat.
I know, yeah. We're really
outdoor cat.
Did you hear what he said? He said Shadow's an indoor cat, actually. It's
No, he
exactly.
didn't.
I swear to God, that's what
No,
he said.
he did not, guys.
He really did say that, Mikey. Now we are back en route. We were going to check out the hotel that's near this venue, just to see how close it is and what is around it. So, just got my ring cleaned. Wait, let me put it in the sun. Oh, I love it. First time in Trader Joe's. Look at the tiny cart. Ooh, yummy. We love our salad mixes, don't we?
Let's get it.
Okay. And we're off. Oh. Okay. We'll put it up. Okay, now we're off. Katie, if you're watching this is our first time at Trader Joe's. All right. What do we think of the jerky?
Pizza review. I mean, jerky review.
Pizza?
It's from Barstool.
Oh.
Good old Dave. Best beef jerky I've ever had. Trader Joe's. Sweet and spicy. Buffalo raised without added hormones. Not sure what that means.
It means it's like all natural.
Tender beef jerky I've ever had.
How hot is it, 1 to 10?
It's not hot. You could handle it.
No, I'm good. I don't eat jerky.
Nope.
Thank you though. No, it stinks.
Melts.
I'm glad you like it.
Melts when it hits your mouth.
Our Trader Joe's dinner is served. Yum, I'm so excited. So is Mia, she wants a bite. Just got our 3-mile walk in.